Hi everybody. Today I made a Hobby Lobby trip. I haven't been there, maybe once last year, or actually no longer, right? Because we had this COVID stuff. A year and a half. I haven't been inside the store that long. And then I watched some videos, decorating, because I get in a little, like kind of, I don't know what I want to do. And I got inspired. So, Russ and I just got back from Hobby Lobby. And I guess instead of a food haul to show you, I have a Hobby Lobby haul to show you. Let me show you. Rooster. And everything, spring shop 40% off, but then as you walk through the store, we found some other things 50% off. I think I only paid regular price for one thing, and let me show it to you while I think about it. But I got this guy to go outside. I think he'll survive outside in a planter. And let me go show you the other thing. And let me put him down. This, I think, is the only thing we paid full price. So it's hanging like that. You push this up. There we go. Push this up. And this is great for Russ's stuff in our bedroom. Isn't that cool? He can hang his clothes on it. Just hangs on the wall. Had to have it. You always got that one thing you gotta have. Well, this was it. This is awesome. With us redoing our bedroom, perfect. And then you can just retract it if you want. All right, let me show you this cool guy. Oh, Maggie's checking out the rooster. This cool guy. I mean, I started decorating my mantle, and I can show you, and then I got stuck. I don't know what else. He is awesome. I should have had stuff right here so I didn't have to keep going back. Well, hold on. Maggie, be good. Then I thought I'd put this around a candle, or even around, I could put it on the rabbit, right? Maggie. These guys. And it's got a little piggy. And then we got one with a chicken and a cow. And then even Russ had a great idea, just to like have it sit like that up against something. We'll have to get like those glue dots. Let me show you if I can find it. Maggie, get your head out of the way, silly. Oh, thank you, Maggie. Hold it in there, girl. Hold on. Hold on. You like that too? Watch out. You can look. Just watch out. Then, like a stand for a candle or just to put a bird on or anything, then Russ goes, oh look, it can be a planter. Which I guess it could, right? So that's kind of cool. And then all the ribbon was half off, and this was a ribbon. So it's one long strand. I had one started. So you could cut off what you need or just put it in like, in a circle or whatever. So I grabbed those. I figure, I don't know, they'll work. Then, Maggie, what you doing? Oh, you're going for the tags. Okay, hold on. Oh, I put it back. So if I get those glue dots, and we can like glue this to stand up, put something behind it, but get this to stand up, so it looks like this out there, that would be cool. Russ's idea. Watch out. I got more bags. I got this adorable, everything on sale. Charger. Now there's a woman on YouTube I've been watching, I think it's Traditions by the Season, and her name is Liz too. I wouldn't necessarily decorate my house as much as she does, because have more of the minimal, but her place is really cool and she's got great ideas. So this is an idea I stole from her. If you do it too, I'm behind the times. So put that together, right, for spring. And then, oh Maggie, what you doing? Maggie! Oh my God, you see her? Summer. Isn't that cool? I just never think of stuff sometimes. Hold on. What you doing, girl? What are you stepping on? Come here. Yep, get down. Good girl. I like how they wrap everything for you. This one, yeah, I couldn't pass this up. So precious. I'll put him there for now. All right. Hold on, Maggie. Hold on. And then some, you know, risers or candle stands. I like this one. I want Russ then to make these. You know, I should have just had him make me one, but this is one way he can have the idea because we've got all that wood, that lumber. And this guy, Russ fell in love with, so this is going on the mantle. You ready? He's adorable. He's big, which is what I needed. I needed something big right where this camera is. So, well, check them over. All right, so let me see. I gotta put something together. So that might be another video. But Hobby Lobby, man. And I tried looking for florals, which they have. None of it's on sale. And when I was younger, florals, the plastic was plastic. Means it looks so awful. Where I wouldn't even think about it. But now when I looked at them today, they look really real. They're like 200 times the price. But I'm going to wait for a sale and I'm going to stock up. There's some nice stuff. And even Russ agreed. All right. So that's Maggie. I'm Liz. Thanks for watching my Hobby Lobby haul. I think we did really good. And I didn't have a heart attack when we checked out. And neither did Russ. So that's a good thing. Thanks for watching. See you next time.